Joto no lam chok soin bo YouTube channel de kiye Mizoram chingyo khai bur khaye no kha bosi kholphe broi tinio raja ha wotong khaye tong thaisa thai kheye tinio resettlement ke ro to anmani ke mono bangma jaga hono thangpai ha ringpo second lord raw second kisti rang maya umo bai ke tre ro no tuye tinio brang lama hinglai ye phno ha brani khapang sraya ke brani nang mochu morono sarkar vibe ke jotosu nang mono mai inya ke ong to mone ba pandabo brani mai marno sain lai ye tinio lama hinglai ha boro toi thene leader jotosu boro IDPS nim thom ke tongne ro joto la singye se tinio bo pandano brang rai saye deputation nompi ha lama hingye deputation diklai moni kok mase boke ta osum video nai lena
Mereka kena yakin mereka ko.
Lain jamaah lain kena lain kakak mana lain kena lain di bawah yang mana berapa banyak sih ini lain kalau lain
Kalau tahu. Ini
Selected by the government, and we want to solve our problem because we don't want to suffer in the hell for many years. Some people may think that through this case people are enjoying the government money, government rights, government rights. You may think like that, but we are suffering. We are suffering in the hell. Every kind of problem we are facing, maybe water facilities, health facilities, maybe education, different sides. From the different sides we are facing lots of problems. But the government has forced us, the government of India, the government of